Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best modern LED floor lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the IKEA Modern LED Floor Lamp. This table stand LED lamp is a great purchase to use as a decoration for your household and offices. The lamp is of 46 inches tall and a shade diameter of 9 inches wide attached to a 7 feet long cord. This product is made with a polyethylene base along with the best quality of stainless steel, while its shade is made using rice paper. With this LED lamp you can enjoy the brightness of a lamp using a luminous flux bulb that emits the brightness of 400 lumen using just 6.3 W of power. A soft warm light to brighten both the space and mood with its display and brightness. For those looking to create a warm touch to their living space, this modern lamp is one of the top recommended products. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Britech Modern LED Floor Lamp. A modern lamp can be a result of creative and smart technology and design. The many benefits you can get from this LED floor lamp is more than sufficient for just a lamp. This wooden product is a fusion between a lamp, a bookshelf and a classic display shelf. It is also installed with smart technology for modern people, such as the use of smart home technologies and Alexa. This floor lamp uses a 9.5 watt bulb with a brightness of 800 lumens. Moreover, with its advanced technology, it most likely that you will never have to replace another light bulb ever. Moreover, this great LED lampstand can be used for many purposes, for many different places that will not only enhance your quality of life, efficiency and space, but will also lighten your space in a very beneficial way. At number 3, we have the Britech Modern LED Floor Lamp. This LED modern lamp is a built-in light source with a table stand as its complete look. The table is measured to be 18 inches x 18 wide and is 4 feet tall, saving place and can be used as great storage and nightstand. The bulb of this lamp will emit a brightness of 800 lumens while using 9.5 watt of electricity. Not only is this modern LED lamp nightstand a great use as its own, but the product is also equipped with smart technology, allowing it to be used with other smart home devices and of course Alexa. Create a perfect light source while having a storage room with this creative built-in LED lamp table in your living room and bedroom. At number 2, we have the Brightech Modern LED Floor Lamp. This modernized LED lamp is a great item for professional use as well as for general use. The design of this lamp includes a hands-free feature, adjustable pole, pivoting headlamp and a built-in dimmer function. These LED lamps can use to help with complex works, to lessen the burden of the eyes and more. Also, it equips with 9 watts built-in LED bulbs lights, capable of illuminating spaces with a brightness of 800 lumens. The soft, bright lights from these LED lamps are adjustable and convenient for use. To enjoy a carefree and functional illuminate light, make a purchase of this modern-styled LED floor lamp with a guarantee of 3 years warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the LIGHTACCENTS Modern LED Floor Lamp. This flexible gooseneck lamp has an acrylic 5 shade of white that gives off a very unique-looking LED lamp look. The metal base pole of this lamp allows the lamp to be a durable product. Those can be last for a very long time with great capabilities and functions. It is measure approximately 69 inches tall and with a diameter of 16 inches in width and length. Also, this brilliant product features 3 different options for brightness level mode, whether using 2 lights at once, 3 lights or all 5 lights altogether. Make your lifestyle as unique and stylish as you can with help from this stunning modern LED floor lamp. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.